Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, July 28th. But before we get started, just want to pat myself on the back a little bit for we breached 500 subscribers. So, woohoo! I'm really proud of that because we have not tried to market or push our YouTube. It's organic growth alone. I'm really proud of that. Thank you guys for subscribing and watching. So, as a we have arrived. We are going to get rid of the tattered t-shirt look. So even though as a day trader, my favorite outfit is t-shirts and shorts, I will try to move to a collared, more professional looking. Yeah, so it is what it is. So you're welcome. So what's going on today? So look at the calendar here. Monday the 28th here has Zippo, nothing worldwide. There's no news. That is so weird. Usually we have, some form of news, but no news. So moving on. Not much to say there. Looking at the daily chart here, we put in an overnight high, which was an all-time high, and now we are back down to the overnight lows above the moving averages. So that means we are bullish. We are above the bull flag that we had a nice little breakout. Does it look toppy? Absolutely. It does look toppy. This looks weak. Also, you can see that Friday's volume was pitiful, very low. But we keep going up. So as long as it keeps going up, you keep playing the long side. Fibonacci extension here, you can see that we overnight went above the 50%, which would be 64.33. That should be support on the way back down. 64.77 would be resistance. The 76.4 would also be a resistance. 65.31, round it to 32. Of course, the 100% would be 66.20. 25. So there are some fib numbers, fib extension numbers up high. All we've got guesstimates. This is all nosebleed area, uncharted. So never been there before. Looking at the the inventory for Friday, inventory was positive, about 3,800 contracts, a positive price action. That is correlated, so we don't worry about it. It's when it's not correlated we really start to worry. Here you can see the gap up, and now we are trading just above the overnight lows. Looking at the overnight action, you can see that. Let's move this a little bit bigger. Approximately 24 points. 24 points. So that's just average volatility. Again, nothing really to talk about or write home about, but we do have some levels. We have nothing above, just some guesstimates, 64.75, 6,500. But we do have 64.58-ish, which is the new all-time high. If we test that level and start to bounce around, that could be a resistance area. We've got a little bit of 64.50-ish, right? That is also a little area, whole number. A lot of these are just guesstimations. 64.32, 64.20, 64.10. It's been a number. 6,400, obviously, and 63.95. We get below that. Yeah, there's some decent support areas there. So Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 47.6, 47.6. So a negative bias for today. And when I look ahead, if you look ahead in your Stock Trader's Almanac, you'll see that tomorrow is a bearish day with only a 33.3%. Wednesday is a positive bull day, 61.9. Thursday, a bear day, 42.9. And Friday is also a bear day of 38.1. So we actually have 4 bearish days this week based on the historics from the Stock Trader's Almanac. So there you have it. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.